What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to another update on Luna Classic. In this video, what I usually do, if you're new to this channel, I know most of you know me and know what I do in these videos, but excuse me. Basically what we do is we take a look at the price of Luna Classic, what happened and what's most likely to happen next. But apart from that, we also take a look at some fundamentals. We take a look at some news, if there is any news. So if you're interested in that, I've been covering Luna Classic daily for the last, 3 weeks. So make sure to subscribe if you're interested in that. For now, let's dive right into it. First thing I always do with Luna Classic, now that the burn tax was implemented, is I take a look at how much Luna Classic has been burned. Now, before we get into it, I must say that Binance has introduced a new burn mechanic into Luna Classic, only on Binance. We cannot see that yet. I think we will be able to see that Monday. So Monday we will probably burn through a lot of Luna Classic because they sent all of the Luna Classic trading fees. They send that all to the burn address every Monday. I think that was it. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. But apart from that, the burn tax is also working. People are just burning through Luna Classic. So that is always what I do every morning, kind of to see what's going on. Are we actually decreasing supply or not? So I use two sites for that, but one of those sites, Lunc Penguins, actually showed that today we minted 2 billion Luna Classic. I think this is a bug because, I don't think that, there's no more mint mechanics in Luna Classic, right? I thought that the mint mechanics were out of there. If you check Lunc.tech, it's a little bit less reliable. But here you can at least see that today we have actually burned through something. This is most likely higher, all right? But still, and this is pretty stable. With this volume, this is pretty stable if this is it, but I would love to see Luna Classic Penguins because that's actually a little bit more reliable. So this might be that we burn through 2 billion in one day. It's possible. If you take a look at total burned, it's at 6.5 billion right now. But this doesn't really give us information, so I'll really be waiting for this. I think this is not correct. But still, we're going to have to wait, all right? That's the only thing we can do. I will post an update, I think, in the comments once it's actually updated or once I've got an explanation for this. But apart from that, I don't think that hurts. I don't think the fundamentals today particularly make a Luna Classic move. I'm still pretty bullish. Yesterday we got some bullish momentum. I still think, and I've been saying this for the last couple of days, my analysis of Luna Classic is that we're probably going to consolidate here. We might even drop down to 24, 25,000. All right, I think that's all fine. I think it's all fine if we stay in this kind of region and consolidate, which is probably what we're going to be doing unless we get a crash or some sort of a rally. And I think that rally is the most likely scenario right now. So what I expect somewhere within the next week or 2 weeks is a breakout out of 30,000, 31,000, and then my first price target is 35, 36,000. And then from there, I'll be there with another update to actually assess whether we can get all the way up to our next price target at 40,000. But for now, that's my take. And the main reason for that is, which I've also explained in the last videos, is right now there are two big options for a huge fundamental move or for good news. Those two options are central exchanges creating another sort of burn mechanism like Binance did. Other exchanges could actually follow Binance, and once KuCoin does that or anything, that's considered bullish again, and we'll probably get half this move again, which is going to make us break above 30,000. Then the technicals will get us up to 35,000. So that's one thing that could happen. But for example, if we find out that that Luna Classic Penguins, that this was actually that we burned through 2 billion, then all of a sudden you're burning through a lot of Luna Classic. 2 billion a day it's a lot, right? If you're burning through 2 billion a day, you're definitely going to be burning through enough supply to get really higher prices. But apart from that, we don't know that if that's true. But the thing behind that is, if we have the potential with Luna Classic to have some really high burn volumes, and that's 100% bullish, right? If Binance burns all of those fees on Monday and we see in one day that we burn through 3 billion Luna Classic, that could be enough to get some sort of a move like this too. So I just think the potential good news outweighs the potential bad news, and that's why I think something like this, after a consolidation such as we've been doing right now, is the most likely scenario. But that's my take today. I'll be back tomorrow again, so as I said, if you think that's valuable, make sure to subscribe. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and most importantly, I want to wish you all a great day. See you all tomorrow, and bye.